Today's terms are deduction and induction. The Greek philosopher Aristotle defined them as follows. Deduction is a method of reasoning in which one draws conclusions about particulars by referring to general or universal principles. For example, all men are mortal. Socrates is a man, therefore Socrates is mortal. Induction, on the other hand, involves the opposite, working towards general or universal principles from particulars. For example, Socrates is mortal. Plato is also mortal, as is Aristotle. Therefore, all men are probably mortal.